there is a procedure. It's not like what I thought. What I thought was to just pick up a camera and go, but really it doesn't work. It isn't like that.
Lights, camera, action.
Hi friends, I'm Sean, and I'm from Kuwait. I've studied BVOC in graphics and multimedia in Mumbai, and I was very passionate about filmmaking. So I went online and I searched for a couple of days, and I couldn't find a better option. And the best I found was Mumbai Film Academy, and it stayed true to what I was thinking about it, because I always wanted to learn cinematography. So I'm studying cinematography in Mumbai Film Academy, and the faculty here is great. The vibes that I get is always positive from this place and progressive.
Focal length is very important thing in a lens. ये बात को कभी भूलना नहीं है तुमने. हम कहते हैं ना कि अगर किसी इंसान के बारे में जानना है तो उसका हॉरोस्कोप निकलवा दो, जन्म कुंडली, तो फिर बहुत कुछ पता लगता है उसके बारे में बेसिक्स. तो एक लेंस की फोकल लेंथ जो होती है ना, उसकी जन्म कुंडली है. ये बात समझो.
So I believe that I can achieve my goal and my eventual dream of being a filmmaker. The faculty in Mumbai Film Academy is, what can I say? They're really magical. I wouldn't just say they're faculty. They are really mentors. You know, they have experience it goes on for a couple of generations, you can say, because like 30-40 years of experience. So all of the people that teachers are. The teachers in this industry. These guys they are aces in their field. So we have teachers such as Mr. Sudhanshu Dubey, who is our scriptwriter, and he has done really great films such as Bhootnath, and he has worked with actors such as Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे ये जो हमने पैराग्राफ लिखे हुए था, अब उस पैराग्राफ को हम सीन में ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे.
Mr. Ajit Tandon, sir, who is a cinematography teacher, who has extensive work experience in commercial films, and he has worked on one of the first CGI films of India, that is Abracadabra.
Okay, what is this? What is this? ये किस काम आता है ये बताओ. हाँ, लेयर्स काटने के लिए. फ्रेंच फ्लैग.
And then we have Mr. Mahesh V. Patil, who is an NSD graduate, and he is, I would say, one of the best teachers I've ever had, and he's really good at what he does. His way of teaching it may come off as, it may be off, but it is really what's required. You couldn't expect anything less from these people, because they are really that good. They're more than teachers to us.
क्या होता है कि जैसे मान लो कैमरा मेरे पीछे पड़ा हुआ है और मान लो कि हम ना इसको रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं या इसको रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, तो ये तो हो गया हमारा मेन जो दिखेगा सब्जेक्ट. मेरा तो सिर्फ शोल्डर दिख रहा है ना, मेरा तो शोल्डर दिख रहा है. तो कई बार हम सेट में नहीं लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं, इसका सजेशन काटना यार. अरे उसको सजेशन में लेके आ. सजेशन मतलब सिर्फ हल्का सा पोर्शन चाहिए.
So my in-class experience is, it varies from subject to subject, but I would say it is intensely practical, mostly based on practical, and here the assignments are quite challenging.
Rolling, scene 1, shot 2, take 4.
Because I came in with the perspective that, okay, I have to be a filmmaker, okay, that's it. But they told me there's a wider range of things. It's filmmaking is not just about films, it's life itself. So we get into this, our exercises are extensive. Like, we really have to cover a really broad range of topics, and so they teach us how to shoot things, how to edit it. Then there's a proper pipeline of how things go. So there is a procedure. It's not like what I thought. What I thought was to just pick up a camera and go, but really it doesn't work. It isn't like that. There is a technique of how it is taught, and basically industry secrets that I think I could only get over here and nowhere else. I couldn't find another better place than this, and I believe I made the right choice that I've come to Mumbai Film Academy, and I think this is the best place. So if you would like to learn filmmaking and eventually achieve your dreams and become a filmmaker, then I don't think there's any other better option than Mumbai Film Academy. And I would like to thank Mr. Anuj Chaurasia for guiding me through this and helping me out to find my eventual potential.